Immerse yourself in the world of music with the MPS 1652HN, a set of 6.5 inches Honda plug-and-play two-way coaxial speakers meticulously crafted for specific Honda car models. These speakers feature a polypropylene cone construction. Boasting a remarkable maximum power output of 130 watts, these speakers are ready to deliver a powerful performance. Their slim mounting depth of 48.5 mm facilitates easy installation, ensuring a seamless fit. For a deeper understanding of these speakers' capabilities and installation details, refer to the user manual thoughtfully included. Upgrade your audio journey significantly by opting for these speakers, a substantial leap from the original ones, promising to transform your audio into an immersive sensation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.